I was both-handed, cause this here is overrated.
Black guy. White
See?
period.
Here. Why are you so extra? I'm not gonna say welcome back. I wouldn't mind saying welcome. You did the other stuff in a different shirt, so how you gonna look?
Oh yeah. Fucking long sleeve.
Oh, I forgot. Kendrick, can you stop?
So sad. I'm so sad about to take all the way down.
No, hopefully Uno sponsors me. What's good, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a special guest with me.
Woo woo. You
Ken.
know. Alright, I don't know what to do.
It's okay. Everybody is shy. It's okay.
You know.
Shut
I
up.
don't know what to say. Woo woo.
So today I have a special guest with me, the one and only Ken.
Hey, snap.
Really, nigga?
So today we're gonna be playing Uno.
This is what we do all
That's
the time.
what we do.
301 to her 206. I'm the king around here.
206.
276.
And 600 games together, and that's a little excessive, but
Just a little bit.
so each time somebody loses, it's a little twist. The other person gets to put makeup on the other person's face. So say I win, that means I get to put makeup on his face. He wins, he gets to put makeup on my face, and then we're just gonna go in the order of how I do my makeup.
Uno.
Hold on, I'm sweating. I'm gonna do that over. Hold on. We're probably gonna end up looking crazy. But it's all good. It's all for the love of the video. All for the love of YouTube. He loves to piss me off. So comment below who you think is going to win.
Like I told y'all, like I'm up 301 to her 276.
And honestly, that was because we were doing extra stuff. So that's how he got so far ahead of me. And
Hey, for my fellas out there, I'm representing for the fellas. You know what I'm saying? I ain't getting no makeup on my
I'm
face.
equality. I
I
represent
ain't
for
getting no
women
makeup
and
on
men.
my
Okay?
face.
Yes, you
I'm
are.
about to win all these games, and I'm about to do all her makeup. Check that. She don't got no yellows, coach. Give you that blue.
I'll give you that for it.
Go ahead and take it early. Take it early. Oh no. What's color?
Red.
Oh no. I told y'all, I ain't winning. I ain't losing nothing. I'm winning all.
Gets to do my eyebrow thing. I'm not gonna tell him
I
nothing.
like this color at the corner. I'm guessing that's like blue or something.
Kendrick!
Wow.
That's not how you do my eyebrows. You do it the same color as my eyebrows.
Hey, I'm not gonna tell him nothing.
Oh, eyebrows.
Yes,
I'm thinking,
not
what
my-
are these things?
Eyeshadow.
Dumbass motherfucker.
No, that's gonna look too bright.
Wow. Sharpen them things up. So
Kendrick, don't-
things up. Got a little cricket at the top. You want to get that off your face though.
I don't want to play no more.
The dog.
Get that off your face though.
I don't want to play no more. Why did you make me look stupid?
I'm supposed to really do y'all?
Yes.
I'm sorry. So son.
Don't be looking at my cards for real. Uno.
Uno.
Concealer on.
I was supposed to win this game. Brighten me up a little bit. What's color? Oh no. Guess who getting their eyeshadow done? Done.
You don't have to dig in it. You about to make me look stupid.
Oh yeah. What am I doing? Alright, that's it. We got the eyeshadow. Let me look at the camera for it. Ow, V.
Next is eyeliner. I feel like this is just a joke on me.
Yellow. Hello. Let's change that to blue though.
Going on, bro.
Oh no.
Oh my. Look at this.
Woo, woo.
You gonna make a wing?
Yeah.
If you need a.
I'm not on your eye at all. Yeah, that's not right at all. Coach.
Oh my. Eyes are like sticking together.
Let me swap hands. Give me green.
That is cheating. You're a cheater, bro. Nah, it's green, so it's my turn.
It's your turn again. Uno. And now I gotta draw for Uno out.
Dang!
I'm really pissed off. I'm really pissed off.
So sad.
On the back of your hand.
Squirt, squirt.
That's what she said.
I don't want you to look like a choker.
This will be a bet right here. For me to go out like this. The fact that you thought this is good.
What, the foundation?
Yeah.
Foundation not good?
Next is concealer. I cannot even look at myself right now.
So sad. I felt you had it too.
And I was this close. Space between that.
Who would have about to break my heart if you had 3?
It's been bullshit. You rigged these motherfucking cards, bro.
First, skip 6, and you had 3, 2.
Uno.
Damn.
Out. So to match his beautiful eyebrows we got going on, we're on his concealer. Concealer covers up the bag. He's always so tired. Chiseled him.
I feel like foundation.
Yes, it's gonna go on pat emotion. Full. I wish I would have been. Look, you all excited to make me look. Duck. You can laugh.
Well, it was fun.
It was actually. You are so beautiful.
You are so beautiful.
You don't like being beautiful?
So,
You're looking real chiseled right now, and I'm a little jealous. Can you stop staring at me? And on camera. I'm supposed to snatch you. Oh, he upset now.
what the? Give me yellow.
Uno out. Tell the people it smell like chocolate.
Chocolate.
Like when you messing me up.
Green.
He mad, y'all.
Man, no.
Cause he looks snatched, so he want
Give me yellow.
his energy wanna go down. He ain't getting his way, so he had to be all quiet.
With that blush and that
Oh
highlighter.
no! Uno. Oh.
Do I tell you my color or do I not tell you my color? Give me blue.
Come on.
Get her out of here, coach. Which one go first?
That's it. That's the eyelashes in my
No, it's not.
You
Please. Lost this much. I usually don't. You lose this much.
Boom.
Y'all, what is this?
That's good. Give me that red.
Uno out.
And I knew I should have hit you with the shit.
Close your eye.
Can't tell. Uno. Ah! Pucker up,
You
buttercup.
literally just feel growling.
And that, ladies and gentlemen, concludes our game of Makeup Uno.
You're not. I really can't believe you just did that to me.
I look white. I look like you.
What? Like, what did I do to you?
In the beginning, if you rewind back, you're gonna see somebody. I said somebody gonna look like the Joker.
No, I just can't because this is pissing me off at this point. So, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Comment if you thought this was entertaining. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit that bell so you can get notifications every time I post. And I just can't take myself serious right now. You feel like you won? I'm talking about the makeup.
Makeup?
Yeah,
oh
you
yeah.
feel
Oh
like you
yeah. I
want-
told you I
you-
won't get too much makeup on.
you-
I don't look too much different. I look better than you.
Boy, if you don't.
Alright, that's it. Next time, my guys. Bye! Like, you really tried me. I didn't expect it to go like this.